In today's India, our cities shine with glass and steel. But behind the beauty, scorching heat, constant noise, skyrocketing energy bills. Here's the change we've been waiting for. Introducing Alubreeze, India's first roller-coated metal louvers. Crafted for performance, designed for elegance. Block the heat, let in natural daylight, keep the noise out. Cut down energy use and give every Indian building a smarter, cooler future. Glass can only block. Alubreeze response. 100% recyclable. Low maintenance. Future ready. Smart. Silent. Striking. Alubreeze. The breeze that builds the future. From Aludecor. Proudly made in India.